like as you can see there is excess fat over here. There is excess fat over here and excess fat over here. And he is having good definition of rectus, but not very well defined over in this portion. And over here also, as we can see, that negative space is well formed, but there is excess fat over here. So first thing which we would be marking is like, please come here. First thing is that we have to mark the intercostal or the costal margin. This is his the pectoralis. So first is this marking. This is his the pectoralis marking. Second, this is his this side pectoralis. Second, I would be marking a midline till the umbilicus. This is his linea alba. Okay. So, अब ऐसे करिए ऐसे excellent. As you can see this, so nice rectus. मतलब I can feel over here. This is the margin of rectus. So we will initially mark a dotted line over here. And a dotted line over here. After that, I will be telling you what is negative spaces and all. Okay, relax. Okay. Now this is his main problematic area. This has to be liposuction very well. This is the main liposuction area. This is his fat globules over there, mainly infraumbilical. This is also fat area. So mainly infraumbilical extensive liposuction he needs. Huh? This is the main area of liposuction. This is also a little bit of fat over here. We will be doing entire abdomen, but these are the focal points. Okay. After this, the next thing which we have to mark is this line. This needs to be for a nice appeal. This is a negative area. This has to be liposuction very well. This is also. This line should be well defined. Okay, अब दोबारा से करिए. As I've already told you, I'll tell you about the negative areas. Like this is first negative area, this triangle. This has to be done very nicely so that his rectus and the pecs with the definition comes. And next is this area. This is like a triangular one. This is a shadow of the border of his rectus. And the last one would be the oval one. So this is all his negative area. Same over here. This is his rectus margin. So this is his negative area. A small triangle over here. And oval over So this will be extensively liposuction and these negative areas. Okay. He doesn't want these lines because it looks very artificial. So I'm just dotting it. I wouldn't be doing. Yeah, yeah, tell me. Huh?
In this line will be defined.
Yeah, it would not be very much defined, but we would be doing like more of a liposuction in this area and less of a liposuction in this area because like this is already a negative zone of yours. So if we do extensive liposuction over here and less liposuction over there, so it would be like the wavy and all. So this is like a natural contour which a person has. You already has this. You already have this, but just like to define it more properly. That's with the higher definition, right? Okay. Now, next thing is like this is his pectoralis. So like this is his muscle. This is his the pectoralis, and this is his latissimus dorsi, as I can feel it. So now this is a large negative zone. This also needs to be liposuction so that he gets very nice definition in this area. This is his इसके ऊपर रखिए थोड़ा जोरों से ना प्रेस करना right excellent this is his latissimus dorsi and this is like the negative zone okay okay now coming to his chest is having I think he's having gland also we need to remove gland I'll see inside this is his chest this is his area this is the liposuction area and this is his gland and liposuction. We start marking from superior also, so that a single line is there. Okay, now coming to the back. So he's having very nice V shape. Only as you can see, this area is problematic. This is okay. We can do a little bit over here also, and this area. This is okay. So like this area would be well defined. And this here it's relatively less, but still it's little. Okay, and we can pre-cycle fat is not prominent in this patient. It's like absolutely fine here because he's a very athletic guy. So like everything is fine. This also is not. This is also okay. Okay. So kindly zoom in. So like this would be the like final marking, and we would be doing extensive liposuction in like these negative zones which I marked, and these excessive fatty areas, and we would be doing a high definition liposuction for him very soon. Okay, thank you.